man I pick as my running mate, my number 2.
Che.
If I had known him as I came to know him later, I would not have picked him.
You're talking about Atiku, your VP?
My vice president. I don't know what name you want to give him, but my vice president. And I mean that, not true. But of course, what I know about him later makes me thank God, because God did not allow his actions and reactions to overwhelm me or to divert my own
focus
from Nigeria, or to harm Nigeria even. So, and then there's no bitterness, because, well, he did things that he believed he should do, and God did things that God had to do, which makes me to be able to achieve what I was able to achieve. Vice President Atiku, now candidate Atiku, and to become President Atiku. As a leader, you must understand the fundamentals of the problems you have to solve and be courageous, visionary, and ready to reach out sufficiently to build a credible team of experts, knowledgeable men and women, concerned and interested citizens and non-citizens to work hard and tirelessly for solutions that will benefit all Nigerians and indeed all Africans and all humanity. Mr. Chairman, my dear senior brother, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you have a man who has what it takes in experience, in exposure, in lessons that he has learned.
I'm aware of the daunting challenges faced by visionaries as they struggle to create a nation out of amalgam of communities, creeds, and experiences. It requires, among so many other things, a resort to a blend of steady and experienced hands with the talents, initiatives, drive, and flexibility of our young, vibrant men and women. The willpower and empathy required to fix Nigeria will need a leader who knows both the historical and contemporary issues of our generations. Nigeria, and indeed Nigerians, will be safe in my hands, and together we can halt the slide and redirect our collective resources to build a prosperous country. Atiku Abubakar is always about Nigeria first. I thank you all